I want to get all the way down here. So probably what I want to do is just draw a rectangle, right? And I want the tool to come out a little bit, say right to here, you know, and then start its flow upwards. So I'm going to create just a rectangle, like say from here, and I'm going to bring it all the way up here. You know, I'm just going to fill it in a little bit. It doesn't matter exactly where it's at, but let's turn the grid off, and we'll just do it right to here. The reason I did that is that I'm containing the finishing operation within this rectangle, and it doesn't matter how big the rectangle is on this side, that end, or that end, because it'll only go as far as the part goes anyway. Over here, I wanted it extended out a little bit, so we got a good finish down off of this first ramp. Okay, so now
you define that area.
Say what?
So you defined that area by doing that?
Yes, I defined the area that we're gonna let it cut in. Oh, okay. Well, let me think about that just a second. Okay, I need to redefine that because I don't want it to overlap here, or the tool will go up into here. We don't want that. So let's go ahead and take that out, and let's redraw that. And we're gonna go to the top view. We don't want to go to here. Hold on a second, not sure. Let's go offset. If I just offset this, hold on, let me go to the top view. Okay. This is already, I believe, offset 3/8. So let's move this inward another 1/8 of an inch. Same over here. Okay. So what I do now is I will create another rectangle from here and point. And I will redo the parallel finishing. So what you see now is that it doesn't want to roll up over this edge. Okay.
Sure.
But it's still, I guess it still sees that it's touching that the tool, the diameter of the tool is still touching the wall because this is a 1/2 inch width here. So it actually goes up the wall. Now, if we don't want it to go up the wall, I can tweak that in a little bit further, but let's see what this looks like when it's simulated. Oh, is it gonna run? Oh, it started down here. Okay, so it's not long enough. We'll just let it go.